This is one of the biggest and weirdest VR headsets ever made. It was so crazy that people actually thought this was fake on the internet, and the company behind it might shock you. This experimental bubble-headed helmet that was never released, thank God, weighed a whopping 6.61 freedom pounds, or for you Europeans, 300 grams. Or if you don't know that, imagine having 6 Quest 2s strapped to your head. It used infrared sensors on the top that detected which way your head was moving while you were in it. And the visuals were handled by a projector mounted in the back of the helmet, which displayed corresponding images on a 60-inch screen right before your eyes. It was truly amazing with how much motion sickness you probably got from this thing. The one positive thing this had going for it was it had an FOV of 120 degrees, which is better than the 89 degrees that the Quest 2 gives you, but it's probably not worth the trade-off for having this literal mammoth on your head. And you may think this thing looks super bulky, but it's actually the smaller version of this very technology. The older version was much bigger, and this kind of scares me of how terrifying big the original one was. Can you just imagine your grandparents using this VR helmet? I'm so glad this never caught on and was never released. And also don't forget to join the Discord server to keep up with all the giveaways and much more going on in there. Links down in the comments, go check it out.